Hello, welcome to 1006th way of learning API testing. So in this video, we will try to look into the second get API method in the facts table. So I just go ahead, open it. So if you see, there are, as usual, it will have a description of what this particular API is trying to achieve. So it returns a list of facts again. So the only difference is like, so in this particular get API, we are having two different query parameters. So in this case, when you actually test, there is a possibility that you think of multiple data for considering both the parameters. Just like using decision tables, you can try to create test data accordingly. So so first you have to click on try it out. So in here, let's say I'm entering max value is 45 and the limit I am giving it as like, and let me give 45 and then I'm trying to execute. So once I execute, if you see, it will return me the curl statements along with request URL and response. Okay, so I have given 45 different. When I gave the limit, it means the number of results and the length should be 45. So here I am having maximum limit is 45, so it is giving me 45 different facts with varied length. Okay, so this is what we are validating here. Not sure. So this is the limit. Now let's say I'm giving an invalid value in one of them. So max length is 0 and I'm executing it, but I'm still giving the limit. So it is actually trying to tell me that it is having a lot of null values. So based on this response body, you will have multiple test cases to validate. And let's say I'm giving this one is as well 2 and this as well as some negative value, say minus 25. So when I execute, so it's again going to be null. Okay, so based on this response, you will try to figure out what it is actually trying to do and if you actually got your expected result. So this is one way. And one more validation that I learned is like, how do I know like what are the valid data that I can give it here? So generally when they give us Swagger, you will see this log. Mostly I've seen it in all the Swaggers. So when I open it, it will just give me like a description of what all these tags are, what they are going to give. So you can have a no, say let's say this get random fact max length. So what is the description maximum length and what is the schema type integer and this is the format. Based on this, you can decide what are the different test data that you want to give in for all these query parameters. I hope this is helpful. So this particular, these three second and third part, we just saw the get methods. There are few other methods that are available in the REST API. We will come up with one more video where we will try to look into another Swagger document with other different API methods. Thank you.